Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start studying for the IELTS exam. First, it's crucial to understand the test structure, including its 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Familiarize yourself with the 9-band scoring system. Next, assess your current English level to identify strengths and weaknesses. Finally, set a clear, achievable target score, perhaps a 7.0 or higher, based on your university or visa requirements. This foundational step is vital for effective preparation. After understanding the basics, take a complete diagnostic practice test. This will pinpoint exactly where you need to focus your efforts, perhaps in writing task 2 or listening section 3. Based on these results, develop a structured study plan, allocating specific time each day or week to each skill. Collect reliable resources, such as official IELTS preparation books and online practice tests. A well-organized approach saves time and maximizes your learning efficiency. Now, let's dive into skill development. For reading, practice techniques like skimming for main ideas and scanning for specific details. Improve listening by regularly engaging with English podcasts, news, and academic lectures for about 30 minutes daily. For writing, focus on essay structure, grammar, and vocabulary, aiming for at least 250 words for task 2. Finally, enhance speaking by practicing common topics and recording yourself to identify areas for improvement. As you near your exam, consistent practice is key. Take full-length practice tests under timed conditions, simulating the actual exam environment. After each test, meticulously review your answers, understanding why you made errors. Consider getting feedback on your writing and speaking from an experienced tutor. Their insights are invaluable. Remember to manage stress through relaxation techniques and maintain a positive outlook. With diligent effort, you will be well prepared to achieve your desired IELTS score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.